So, I got off work this morning, sat downstairs, watched Discord or whatever, what I usually do, before I go to bed, and, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I hear this weird noise outside. I come outside, and this is what I see. Just kind of see them up in there, they're not there, but they're all the way up there, look at that. Can't see. There are a ton of freaking birds up in that one tree. There are like a whole bunch of birds up there. Are you having a fucking house party up in that tree? What's going on? Why? What is this? There's... Oh, and they're gone. Okay. Cops must have showed up. Bye, birds. They're moving their house party elsewhere. They're like, oh shit, a guy's filming us. Book it. Well, that was entertaining.